Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what may just be the best separation anxiety relief pet calming diffuser on the market. The LKBHGF Dog Pheromones Calming Diffuser 3-in-1 Advanced Kit. If your furry friend suffers from stress, anxiety, or behavioral issues like aggression or excessive barking, this diffuser could be the solution you've been looking for. The LKBHGF diffuser stands out with a simple promise: calm in just 2 weeks. That's right. According to the brand, this product uses a unique pheromone technology that mimics the comforting scent produced by a mother dog, triggering a sense of security and calmness in your pet. And it's not just temporary, it promises long-lasting protection and consistent relief from a wide range of stress triggers. What you get in the kit is one plug-in diffuser and two 48 ml refill bottles. This setup is enough to continuously release calming pheromones in your home environment for an extended period, making it perfect for pet parents who don't want to constantly reorder or worry about replacement. Let's talk about coverage. The LKBHGF Calming Diffuser boasts the ability to cover up to 700 square feet. That's roughly the size of a medium to large room, ideal for areas where your dog spends the most time. You'll want to ensure the device is plugged in upright, not hidden behind furniture or under shelves, to allow for even diffusion of pheromones throughout the space. But what truly sets this apart is the attention to ingredient quality. This diffuser uses a well-calibrated concentration and release rate to keep your pet naturally comfortable, without overwhelming their senses. It's also tasteless and odorless to humans, so you won't even notice it's there, but your dog definitely will. The calming sensation it brings is gentle, effective, and natural. And it's not just for general anxiety. The LKBHGF diffuser is designed to tackle multiple types of stress triggers. Think fireworks, thunderstorms, vet visits, loud noises, or even being home alone. If your dog struggles with any of these, the diffuser could help minimize their reaction, making them feel more relaxed and safe in their environment. It also has benefits for pet owners. When your dog is less anxious, they're less likely to engage in destructive behaviors like chewing furniture or barking excessively. That means a calmer home, fewer worries, and a better bond between you and your four-legged companion. To wrap things up, the LKBHGF Dog Pheromones Calming Diffuser isn't just another pet gadget. It's a well-designed solution for real behavioral issues, offering pet owners an easy, effective way to help their dogs feel more secure. Whether you're dealing with separation anxiety, aggression, or just a nervous pup in a new environment, this diffuser might just be the relief you both need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what product you'd like us to review next. See you next time.